Standardize production flow with strict process control. Process template management begins in the production module to standardize manufacturing workflows. Establishing these templates ensures operational consistency and accurate production tracking across all facilities. The process template listing provides a centralized view of all active manufacturing frameworks. Template name identifies the specific production sequence for clear organizational reference. Template code creates a unique system identifier for seamless integration with work orders. Process execution type defines the rigidity of the workflow during live production. Selecting strict ensures operators follow every step in the exact predefined order. Remarks allow for detailed documentation regarding specific formulation requirements or quality standards. Validating the header details prepares the system for step-by-step process mapping. Defining the process details maps the different stages involved in the manufacturing framework. Establishing these dependencies automates the production flow and prevents out-of-sequence errors. Successful template creation populates the master list for immediate deployment to the floor. The summary view confirms all administrative details and the sequential process order. The process flow chart provides a visual validation of the entire manufacturing journey. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.